Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to lecture series of New Candy Mathematics 2 or D2 updated edition. Dear students, today we will attempt question number 5 of exercise 1A and our chapter is chapter number 1 real numbers and approximation. Dear students, इस चैप्टर के सोल्यूशन के लिए सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट आपको मेरे चैनल पर मिल जाएगी। इसके अलावा आप एक्सरसाइजेस के सोल्यूशन के लिए मेरा फेसबुक पेज भी विजिट कर सकते हैं। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Evaluate each of the following. So we have to solve it. Dear student, you can solve it by the calculator, but sometimes आपको रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया जाता है दैट यू डोंट हैव टू यूज द कैलकुलेटर, या फिर मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऐसे होती है कि दैट यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व द स्टेप्स. सो वी आर डूइंग इट विदाउट कैलकुलेटर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you can see the two decimals are in the division form here, 0.15 divided by 0.5. So we can write it in the form of division, 0.5 divided by 15 divided by 0.5. Same in the case in this bracket, these two numbers are in division, so I can write 0.16 divided by 1.2. डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे ये दो नंबर डिवाइड हो रहे थे तो मैं इनको इस तरह से लिख सकती हूँ. इसी तरह से ये दो नंबर्स डेसिमल नंबर डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो मैं इसको इस तरह से लिख सकती हूँ. नाउ वी विल रिमूव द पॉइंट. हम पॉइंट रिमूव कर लेते हैं. यू नो इट दैट व्हेन यू रिमूव द पॉइंट देयर कम्स 1 एंड आफ्टर पॉइंट यू हैव 2 digits, so you will place 2 zeros mean 100. Same is the case here. It will come 5 because you remove the point, and then it comes 10. इसी तरह से हम ब्रैकेट में भी कर लेंगे. पॉइंट रिमूव कर देते हैं. आपके पास पॉइंट रिमूव करेंगे, you will get here 100 because you remove the point. There comes 1 and then 2 zeros. Also here you remove the point, it will come 1 and then after the point there is 1 digit, so we will place 10. Now dear students, 15 divided by 100, we can change this division sign into multiplication sign, and you know it, when the division sign is changed into multiplication, this one fraction we have to write in the reciprocal form, like it will be 10 by 5. Now in the bracket also we will do this. जब हम डिवीजन साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करेंगे तो आपके पास इस फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, यानी 10 by 12. You can solve now. 5 1 times 5, 5 3 times 15. आप इसको भी ओपन करके कंबाइन भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 10 1 times 10, 10 10 times 100. Now in the bracket also we do the cutting like this, simplification like this. 10 1 times 10, 10 10 times 100. 4 3 times 12, 4 4 times 16. Now we are left with 3 multiplied by 1, it's 3, and 10 multiplied by 1, it's 10. And in the bracket, 4 into 1, it's 4, and 10 3 times 30. Again we can do the simplification. 3 1 times 3, 3 10 times 30, and we have 4 1 times 4, no, 2 2 times 4, and 2 5 times 10. Now dear students, we are left with 2 into 1 and 10 5 times 50, and there is plus minus minus. and we can do it like this. 2 1 times 2, and 2, 25 times 50. So we have the answer minus 1 by 25. Dear students, हम यहाँ पे इसकी simplification पहले भी कर सकते थे, like to 2 times 4 and to 15 times 30, and then we can do the cutting of 3 and 15. We can do in this way as well. B part. Dear students, इसी तरह से हम अपना B part solve करेंगे. That 0.027 divided by 0.03. So what we will do is that we can write in division form. हम इसको लिख सकते हैं divided by 0.03. इसी तरह से हम इसको भी लिख सकते हैं 1.4 divided by, we can write it 0.18. Okay, so now we have to remove the point. हम point remove कर लेते हैं. So जब हम point remove करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 27 and point remove 1 and then 3 digits divided by, you remove the point, you will get 3 and then it comes 100. Same is the case, you will remove the point, it will come 14 and 10 divided by 18 and 100. You remove the point, there comes 1 and after point like 2 digits, so you will get 100 here. Now dear students, 27 by 1000 हम डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करते हैं. सो आपके पास ये फ्रैक्शन इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. इसी तरह से आप इस डिवीजन को जब चेंज करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में तो आपके पास रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, हम सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं एंड इट्स सो इजी. लाइक हियर वी कैन डू द सिंप्लीफिकेशन. 100 1 times 100 and 100 10 times 1000, 3 1 times 3, 3 9 times 27. Now in this bracket, 10 1 times 10, 10 10 times 100, 2 7 times 14, 2 9 times 18. Now we can see that what's left, 9 into 1 9, 10 into 1 10, multiply by 7 into 10, we will get 70. And 9 into 1 we will get 9 and there is the minus sign here. Now further we can simplify it. 10 1 times 10, 10 7 times and 9 1 times 9 1 times. So you are left with, you can see 1 into minus 7, it will be minus 7, and in the denominator 1 into 1, it means that we can write it just minus 7. C part, minus 0.4 square. So dear students, we would start it 0.4 square. We will check it like 0.4 and 0.4. 0.4 square means this. 4 times 16 and then 40 and this. Then 40, 4 into 0 and 0 into 0. So we will get this one. Now the point is like this, like we have 2 digits, so 1 2 and here it will get the point. So here the answer is 0.16 and minus as it is. Dear student, अगर ये 0.4 whole square होता, so then this minus would turn into plus, like ये positive हो जाता. But now the square is only at 0.4. Now we can write this like 1.3 divided by 0.8. So we can write 1.3 divided by 0.8 and 0.62. Now we will remove the point. So you know it will 16 and point remove, you will get 1 and then after point there are 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Same is the case here, 13 and you will get 10, then 8 you will get 10. and here you will get 62 by 100. Now dear students, you can change this division sign into multiplication, and you can do the cutting easily, like 10 one times and 10 one times. So you will get 16 by 100 multiplied by minus 13 by 8 minus 62 by 100. So now you can do the cutting of this one. 8 1 times 8, 8 2 times 16. And you are left with 13 into 2, 26, and minus would be plus, and here comes 100 minus 62 over 100. Now dear students, you will subtract it and you will get, आपके पास minus 36 by 100 आ जाएगा, and you know it will be 0.36, negative 0.36. Because dividing by 100 means that you have to place the point 2 digits left. So it will be, from here it goes left side. Now we have to solve D part. Minus 0.2 cube. So we will find cube of it. Like minus 0.2 cube means minus 0.2 into minus 0.2 into minus 0.2. So we will do it like minus 0.2 and 0.2. Okay, we will multiply the sign later on. First we will multiply this to 2 times 4, and then it's 0, and then 0 and 0. We will get, and the point will be after 2 digits here. Now again we will multiply it by 0.2. 8 0 0 0 0 and 0. So now we'll get 8 0 and 0, and the point will be after 1 2 3 digits. So I will get 0.008, and you know it, when the power is we have odd power, then there comes minus sign, or you can do it like this. इस तरह से भी आप minus minus plus and plus minus again minus. So हमने यहाँ पे 0.008. Now this is in division. 27 is divided by 1.6, so we can write it like 27 divided by 1.6 and plus 0.105. Now dear student, हम points remove कर लेते हैं. You will get here 1000, point remove 1, and after point 3 digits, and then 27. इसका भी हम point remove कर लेते हैं. Now you can also remove the point of this one. हम इसका point remove कर लेते हैं, या फिर आप अगर इसका point नहीं भी remove करने देते तो लास्ट में हम, आप देखेंगे कि हम इसको as it is कर लेंगे. -8 division will be changed into multiplication. डियर स्टूडेंट, अगर आप इसका साइन चेंज कर भी लेते हैं देन ऑल्सो इट वुड बी ईजी. नाउ वी विल डू द कटिंग. और कटिंग किस तरह से करेंगे, यानी सिंप्लीफिकेशन. 8 1 times 8, 8 2 times 16, 10 1 times 10, and 10 100 times you have thousands. So now we are left with 27 by 200, and there is minus sign plus 0.105. डियर स्टूडेंट, एक डेसिमल है और एक आपके पास फ्रैक्शन है, तो हम इस फ्रैक्शन को भी डेसिमल में कर लेते हैं. देन इट वुड बी इजी ऑल्सो. सो हम इसको 27 को 200 से डिवाइड करते हैं. सो यू नीड अ पॉइंट. 200 1 times 200, then you will get another 0, and 203 times 600, then you will get 1, and you need thousands, and 205 times we will get 1000. So यहाँ पे आपके पास आ जाएगा 0.135, 0.105. Now dear students, plus minus would be minus, so हम इसको माइनस कर लेते हैं. 0.135 and we will subtract 0.105 minus plus, so you will get minus 0.030. होपफुली स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये 4 पार्ट्स अच्छे से समझ आ गए होंगे. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा, एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक and share the video.